Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am answering one of the most common questions people have when learning English. How much time should I spend to become fluent? Or how many hours a day should you spend? We all want to speak English fluently as quickly as possible. But the truth is, the time it takes can vary. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how much time you should be investing daily to reach your fluency goals. Whether you are just starting or you have been learning for a while, I'll share realistic timeframes, strategies, and the secrets to faster progress, no matter where you are starting from. So, if you are ready to maximize your learning time and finally speak English fluently, so please stick with the video because I have got some valuable tips to share. So, now you are supposed to know what is fluency. Fluency means speaking smoothly, like water flows with confidence and ease. It doesn't matter perfection or sounding like a native speaker. Yes? And now the second question is how many words we are supposed to memorize. Yes. So according to the research, actually this is not my research. Yes, because someone has already searched about it. So according to the researcher, for everyday conversation, you only need about 3000 words to be fluent. Only 3000 words. Yes. So here what you are doing, you are trying to memorize the list of the words, which is completely wrong. Okay. Now the question is how much time or how many hours we are supposed to spend on regular basis so that we can become fluent. The answer is around 700 hours of focused high quality learning is recommended. Quantity and quality is both matter. Yes, some people might need more time, while others may need less time depending on their learning attitude towards learning. If someone studies for 1 hour every day, it could take only 2 years to become fluent. Or if someone studies for 3 hours every day, it could take about 6 months to reach fluency level. Yes? And the most important thing is quality learning. It's important to emphasize that high quality focused learning is more effective than simply spending time. So practice with real conversations with real people is necessary. And one more important things here there are so many factors which play a very crucial and vital role to become fluent at English. So another factor which is highly important, positive mindset. What does it mean? Learning a new language like English is not just about memorizing words and grammar. It's about believing in your ability to improve yourself every day. You might face challenges, make mistakes, and sometimes feel frustrated, but that's all part of the process. Every mistake is a step towards success, and every bit of progress builds your confidence. When you approach learning English with a positive mindset, you will stay motivated even on the tough days. Instead of thinking, I'll never be fluent, start telling yourself, I'm improving every day. So, embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and stay motivated in your growth. So, I hope you have learned something valuable today. So, inshallah, we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.